What's up, y'all?
Where are we at?
We're at the Exploratorium, and today we're going to be exploring the Torium.
Nice.
Ready?
Nice.
And who is this?
This is Francesca.
And what are we doing?
Exploring the Torium. Oh, I've learned about this in History of Christian Art. Oh my gosh. Okay.
That's how you do it.
Got some rainbows.
Wow.
What?
What's you?
We go in there.
Yes, because you want to be in the Math and Society department, don't you? Okay, should we see the Math and Society? What is this? Oh. Oh.
Wait, show it. Okay, they can't even see you. Over there. Do something. Alright. Hold your finger on one of these numbers. Okay, ready? What? Huh. Okay. Yes. Good. Like this?
Yes.
Whoa. I'm gonna name it Bob. I don't know why. Wow, it zooms so close. Bob! Whoa! Wait, let's go there! Ooh! This is monochromatic. I think this is orange. I can't tell what these are at all.
This is orange, yellow, green, blue, red.
Okay. Okay, I think this is. I know it's like okay, I think it is yellow. Yellow. Black. It's not.
What? Oh, I knew that one was yellow. That's pink. Right there. Yep, that's pink.
How?
Because this is pink.
Yeah, you put the pinkiness on.
I think this is a strawberry.
Wait, I think these might be grapes right here.
I think this might be orange.
Okay. Dude, this is how I thought it was like in the old times.
Are you serious? We're here?
Okay, let's switch.
We're different?
I don't know. Okay. Wait, can you
They're the
hold
same.
this? Really? Oh! This is how you should take pictures. Okay.
Look pretty. Snail. Oh, there is. Let me take a little watch. Ready?
Hi guys, I'm with Trisha.
Hi. I'm working right now. They visited me.
We got in for free because of her. Thanks.
You're welcome.
And we're getting food. Wait, show
this
it.
is not showing.
What's that say?
This is my like radio call thingies, and then under it is my badge.
Cool. The more you know.
Yesterday I had to.
So this is what I got from the gift shop. What is it called? Super duper sugar stick.
Hand stamp is right here.
Just in case as well. Thank you.
Thank you.
Of course.
Okay, go.
I'm going. Oh my gosh.
OMGs.
This is really
Nah.
good.
Nah.
Okay, you have like both of both.
Oh my gosh, you got best of both worlds. This is so good. Oh my gosh, I want to get one now, dude.
Okay, wait, try it.
This is insane. Whoever made this is a genius.
You should have gotten one.
Oh my god.
Thanks. Keep forgetting how to zoom in. What'd you get?
A cheeseburger with everything on it, and then I got fries.
Wow, it's not foggy. Was it good? Okay, where are we?
We're at the Ghirardelli Square. OMG.
Oh my gosh, feel it here.
Dude. What's the flippin'? Oh, $16. Hell nah. What? OMG. Is this a jelly cat?
Yes. Or is it a knockoff?
No, it's not.
It's a knockoff?
Yeah,
Right,
dude.
that's exactly what it looks like though. Oh my gosh.
OM sheesh. OM sheesh. You should wear this on your hair.
Wow. Like a ponytail?
Yeah.
What shades? This is making you feel
Here, look at
anything?
this one.
Oh. Why is there so much?
I didn't know it's still here.
There's so many people. Oops. Sorry.
There's a little kid in the middle.
Oh my god. Okay, we gotta blow dry this one. What is my eye doing there?
Bro! I'm cooked.
What? 3, that was 3 already. I got 2 guys, by the way. Go!
Okay, now who's the furthest?
5.
Go. OMGs. Oh!
That's good. Okay, that's pretty good. Nice. 2.
Oh! It's in a weird spot, isn't it? Oh! On a book. 3?
This one's deep.
Yeah, I know, right?